It's our last day in Bangkok. What do you say?
Shy grass. Oh. Bloody Nora, it's hot today, isn't it?
Today is our pretty much second to last day in Bangkok. We're just heading into Siam for the last time, maybe forever, maybe just for a few years, but yeah, Bangkok's coming to an end. We're going out again. This isn't our last like outing, but we're just gonna head into Siam and pick up a few bits that we need. And what else are we doing? Going to Camus, as always, another bubble tea. Seems weird that we're going to be leaving. We're going over to the Siam shopping mall. It's quite expensive there, but I really fancy some broccoli, so veg and fruits and stuff are apparently really expensive in Japan. So it's like, that's like £1. So this one is 34 bahts, so that's like 80p. So it's so expensive, £1 for that. Should we just get this?
So expensive, should we just get this one? Yeah, if you want.
So that's like £1 for like one little stem of broccoli. Oh, I'm walking into everyone. What do you think about getting?
Don't know.
There's these spinach roll things that the bakery do that I really like. I'm gonna get one.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's like spinach and cheese in a thing. I'll show you. These. So, wait, that's not it. That spinach thing I had was actually a little bit cheaper than the broccoli. What did you get, Lottie?
I had
Croissant?
I've got a croissant, yeah. I don't know why, it said whole wheat croissant and it was like loads cheaper than like the regular croissant. And I don't really know why, maybe it's a bit more like flaky. But I love a good croissant.
How's it taste? Can I have 2 pad thai noodles? Apple crab.
Well, actually, when I left, there was
Well busy or not busy?
No, not busy.
So that was quite stressful. We went to Watson's to pick up the last few bits we need for Japan, and they just, I don't know, like they had loads of deals on, but then
it was
like,
buy one get one free.
If you have buy one get one free on an item, 7 item costs 50 and an item costs 20. If it's buy one get one free, you have to pick the same item. So we had an item that actually cost 80 and one that cost 30, but they made us take 2 80 items, but we only wanted an 80 and a 30. So they force you.
They had the buy one get one free label on every single thing. So
Yeah.
it wasn't like like that was the offer on everything. It was buy one get one free.
But apart from it, was only buy one get one free on. You had to, I don't know, it's stupid, you had to buy the same thing, so we had to go back, sort that out, but we're doing our last pop in Camus. You ready?
1, 2, 3.
I went for his forehead.
Oh.
We just got peach, no not peach, passion fruit with pearls.
This is a new makeup brand I've never tried before. It's called Catrice, and I recently heard of it, and it's cruelty free, so I bought mascara.
So we're just finishing our drinks in Camus, and we're discussing this is going to be the last time we're in Siam, so we decided we're going to have a bike championship, and now instead of one game we're going to do best of 3. You ready for it? I was the champion, then Lottie. No, Lottie was, then me, then Lottie, then me again, so hopefully it doesn't go to Lottie, but we're going to see. So we're going to do best of 3 rounds, so we need 6 coins each.
Are we going to put them in at once?
No. So we're playing for a bubble tea, but mainly the champion. Whoever wins this is the champion forever.
So the first 2 going in, yeah?
You're going down, bitch. Oh, that was close. Right, I won the first round, so now this is the second round.
Only Jack.
What?
Only Jack.
I'm right behind you, I'm catching up. Dude, I'm catching up. I'm right behind you, I'm right behind you, I'm right behind you.
Don't take
Right.
each other.
Next round wins.
Oh my god, look at our little bike.
So Lottie won by 0.01, but I let go at the accelerator because I thought it was the end. So we're going to have another game. But I think she's officially the champion, but I can't not have another game.
Well done.
I came off the bike. Do you want to go again? You want to go again?
No, that's it. You're the champion. That's it. I don't think I want to play games because it's expensive and quite hot on that side. I think that's enough. I think you're getting a bit overexcited.
So we decided to get a little trinket to say goodbye to Bangkok, and we got this. I thought it looked a little bit like me and a little bit like Lottie if it had long hair. Lottie's hair's tied up there, but that's me and Lottie in a tuk-tuk. So this is the last time we're going to be in Siam, so we're in the centre and we're saying goodbye. Can't talk about it too much because otherwise Lottie's going to cry, but... Bye bye MBK.
Bye
Bye bye Siam Siam.
I mean, we're going to be out and about tomorrow.
Bye bye the BTS. Bye bye Siam Paragon.
Bye bye Camus.
Bye bye floor. Bye bye road. Bye bye Thai people. Right, so we've come to Siam Siam. It's the place where we first started our trip. It's like the first place we stayed, so it's kind of like a good point to round off Bangkok. But they've got a nice rooftop bar and we've just got a coffee. I think the service has gone a bit downhill. Like, the woman's like really angry at us for like no reason. I don't get why. And we're like, oh, how much is an Americano? And she's like, oh, fine. And then like dropped off. Apart from the service, like the view is spectacular. Check this out. Oh God, very zoomed in. My cappuccino was lovely. How was your Americano?
Yeah, it was nice coffee. It was nice coffee.
The cappuccino and the Americano was the same price. I didn't bother asking because she got very aggressive whenever you asked for the price. But yeah, this is the last time we're seeing this view. I found out, I don't know if you can make it out, but 2 dots just in the distance over there. I don't think the camera picks it up. We'll turn the brightness up. I don't think you can see it, but that is our condo. Checking I didn't leave any money. No need to tip in Thailand. One thing I've always liked about this hotel is like, this is a really cool toilet. So behind this door here, not a bad view while you're having a wee. This is the last you'll see of Siam Siam. Upset?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the last time we're in Siam. Yeah, we're going to go to the park tomorrow, but that's it for today. We're going to get on the BTS and head back to the condo now. We're back in the room now. We're actually quite busy because we're packing. I've chucked the washing on, but now we're packing everything ready for tomorrow because everything's getting ready for Japan. So we're just I'm gonna try to get everything packed and the stuff ready to send home, and I'll jump with you when we're done after. Right, it's our last day. We're in Lumpini Park again. We've bought show them the dinosaur thing. This is Crazy Cat Lady. We've come to fly the dinosaur and go on the little boats. It's the most quiet I've seen the park. We've got some fish food as well because I forgot that last time we did a vlog on the boat. So I'm wearing all blue because these are my swimming shorts. But we've sent everything home and we've only got our Japan clothes, so they'll be a bit too hot. So I'm looking very blue. I've got blue shoes, blue shorts, blue top and a blue bag and blue eyes. I thought it'd be really nice if on our last day we came, fed the fish, went on the swan boats, and Lottie's mum bought me this. It's like I built it and you like connect all the bits up and it's got elastic band and you wind it up and then it flies. So I'm going to wind it up and then we're going to see how far it can fly.
You can do like a little fast forward, like.
I've wound it up 50 times as per instructions. And you ready?
Mm-hmm.
So it says move the tail to help it fly. So like if you move it that way, surely it will go up. Let's try that.
Oh, that's so cool.
I want it to just fly forward, not go up and down. Although I do.
No, I think it's cool.
Yeah. Are you ready?
Yeah.
It broke. I came in for an emergency. So basically, how it works is, okay, I cut my finger on it.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. You get elastic bands and you like wind them up, and you get these sticks and you kind of stick it to the wings, and then you just there you go. I was planning to give that flying bird thing to my flying dinosaur to a kid I saw. But I decided I'd like it so much I've packed it away and I'm going to carry it for 2 months, take it home. Like there's a lot of Lumpini Park we've never seen,
Hello.
so do you want to have a quick walk round?
Yeah.
We're going to have a quick walk around Lumpini Park and then we're going to go on the boat. So I just seen one of the dragons and he's got a massive fish in his mouth.
It was like down to its butt, a bit, like. Unless it had been dead. I don't know if it had been dead for a while or if he'd like killed it, but it was like I could see its bones. So.
He swam on the other side away from us. Found a gym and it's like all plastic, I think it's like handmade gym stuff, like plastic chairs. And then like, I don't know how the weights work, but maybe you pull yourself. A Thai policeman just came up to us and pointed at us and started talking, so I guess I wasn't meant to film over the fence.
There's another fitness bit up here.
Ah, yeah, he was telling us where another fitness bit is. So we're on the side of the park we've never been before.
But over there.
So we don't want to go to the exit.
No, I'm just saying. Like,
do you want to walk across this way?
Yeah.
We found Lottie's heaven. There's like 7 cats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're like deep on the other side now. I found like a monument. There's one on the other side of the lake we're just about to go to, but when was it made?
2008, so it's not that new, but as far as the monument goes, I guess.
This was the other monument. So I don't know if you can make it out, but the old ladies behind me, they're like practicing the workout dance, but like out the way, because she's a little bit old, a little bit slow, so she's really cute. She's like, hello. Yeah, we're gonna go rent the swan boat now.
You're doing good. We're gonna go on to the next move.
You ready?
Yeah. Go to the left, to the right.
Yeah.
To the left. To the right. To the left. To the left. I mean to the right.
Hello.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Thank you very much. Bye bye. So there you go. This is our last Bangkok venture.
Yeah.
Yeah. We decided every time we've gone on the pedalo, I've raced about trying to go around the whole lake, getting out of breath.
I feel like for 2 days as well, we've been saying, so this is the last. This is the last.
But it's
like a big deal, I guess.
The videos for ages have been me going on about we're almost leaving Bangkok, but we are actually really close to leaving now. Oh, the fish food.
Yeah.
Right, so we're going to see the power of the fish food.
Oh, that almost fell out.
Fishies.
Yay!
How many fish are there? There's loads. Oh, they're all eating it. They're here. Oh, right over.
Catfish.
Catfish?
Yeah. Look, he's over here, look.
Oh, wow.
Did you see him? His whiskers. Look.
Go closer.
Look, do you see him?
Yeah. Literally, when you chuck it in, there's like 50 million fish. We've always gone like... got some of the fish dust in my mouth. Doesn't taste nice. We always go round this way, but like I've just seen you can go that way. So we're gonna go have a look. So I don't agree with graffitiing, but this is just one of those areas where people do it. It's under a bridge. But I've got Lottie and Chris 2018. I love Lottie plus Bangkok. This was Chris and Lottie, but it was 2017. So I wrote a message to Hannah. So Hannah, have you ever come travelling with anyone? You have to try find where the message is. Bye bye. The national anthem's on, but we're feeding the fish.
Are you sure it's the national anthem?
Yeah, look, everyone stopped. Here you go, fish.
How pretty that.
So that was the last of Lumpini Park for at least a good few years, so we're going to head back to the condo now. Right, so that's it. This is the last you're going to see of this apartment. That's Bangkok over with, that's Thailand over with, and we're heading to Japan. So I'm going to end the video here because it's gone on a bit too long. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you liked it. Bye! Oh, Lottie's shouting goodbye. She's got new hair for the next video. Peace.
Bye bye, thank you very much. Thank you.